A Course in Miracles, Workbook, Lesson 62. Forgiveness is my function as the light of the world. It is your forgiveness that will bring the world of darkness to the light. It is your forgiveness that lets you recognize the light in which you see. Forgiveness is the demonstration that you are the light of the world. Through your forgiveness does the truth about yourself return to your memory. Therefore, in your forgiveness lies your salvation. Illusions about yourself and the world are one. That is why all forgiveness is a gift to yourself. Your goal is to find out who you are, having denied your identity by attacking creation and its creator. Now you are learning how to remember the truth. For this attack must be replaced by forgiveness, so that thoughts of life may replace thoughts of death. Remember that in every attack you call upon your own weakness, while each time you forgive, you call upon the strength of Christ in you. Do you not then begin to understand what forgiveness will do for you? It will remove all sense of weakness, strain, and fatigue from your mind. It will take away all fear and guilt and pain. It will restore the invulnerability and power God gave His Son to your awareness. Let us be glad to begin and end this day by practicing today's idea and to use it as frequently as possible throughout the day. It will help to make the day as happy for you as God wants you to be, and it will help those around you, as well as those who seem to be far away in space and time, to share this happiness with you. As often as you can, closing your eyes if possible, say to yourself today, "Forgiveness is my function as the light of the world. I would fulfill my function that I may be happy." Then devote a minute or two to considering your function and the happiness and release it will bring you. Let related thoughts come freely, for your heart will recognize these words, and in your mind is the awareness they are true. Should your attention wander, repeat the idea and add, "I would remember this because I want to be happy." Now, close your eyes and repeat to yourself, "Forgiveness is my function as the light of the world." I would fulfill my function that I may be happy. Now spend the next minute or so considering your function and the happiness and release it will bring you. If your mind wanders from the idea, repeat to yourself, "I would remember this because I want to be happy." Okay. This concludes Lesson 62. You will want to think about this idea as often as possible today.